Today we're going to be reviewing the Cuisinart Supreme Grind Automatic Burr Mill. I have it right here, you guys. We did order it from Amazon and it came in this box right here. So this was the shipping box and then this is the actual product right here. Okay, so I want to point out a couple things before we unbox it and actually go ahead and test it out. It is fully automatic, meaning you push the button and it grinds between 4 to 18 cups depending on what you want to set it up for, and it is 18 settings deep, so you could either do fine all the way to coarse. Fine is like your espressos and coarse is more like your cold brew or your French press. So that's cool that it's 18 different settings. We're gonna do with the medium setting because we're just gonna go for the regular hot cup of joe. Okay, so it does have Burr, maximizes bean flavor. So you guys, this right here is the bean hopper, and you put the beans in here. It holds up to half a pound of coffee beans. So that's it right there. It keeps it nice and fresh. It is a watertight seal, so that's cool right there. This is the housing where it keeps the grinded up coffee beans. So let me show you guys a couple more specs and then we're gonna open it right up. Okay, so this is the gourmet coffee flavor. You guys, the reason you get this is because you wanna have that nice fresh coffee in the morning, and there's nothing more fresh than having your beans grinded right then and there instead of having it already grinded where it's not that fresh. Okay, it is a high-tech design. We went with the stainless steel, but there's also other colors like white, gray, and black. As of the recording of this video, they'll probably come out with more colors as well. So we have the extra large capacity. So it fits 32 cups right here. So that is good to go. We have an extra coarse to ultra fine. I explained that already. It is fully automatic. You push a button and you either set it up from 4 to 18 cups. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about in a second. It's easy to clean because this actually, both of these remove the bean hopper and then the grind chamber, both of them remove. It is safety first because if everything's not in place, it's not gonna start grinding, so you don't have to worry about the grinder messing up. So let's go ahead and open this up for you guys. Of course, it comes with the manual right here. So it also comes with this nice little scooper right here. Let me take it out. We have the scooper, and then on this side we have the brushes. We could use that to clean up. So this is the nice sleek design I was talking about, you guys. We went with the stainless steel because our appliances are stainless steel, but there are the different colors, okay? So we want to start up top here. You guys can see it holds half a pound of coffee beans right here. This is the lid, and the lid is, like I said, watertight. To remove the bean hopper, all we have to do is turn counterclockwise and then it'll unscrew. And it comes off just like that. And this is dishwasher safe, so we go ahead and wash it in the dishwasher. And to put it back, all we have to do is put it on and then turn it clockwise. Once we pour the coffee beans in here, we go ahead and do the settings. And this is the fine, you guys can see it right here. And this is the 18 settings. We're gonna be using medium, but of course you got coarse over here on this side, no pun intended. And like I said, watertight seal. This is gonna keep it nice and fresh right here. Okay, you guys, so let me put your attention to over here. This is where the automatic grinder is. So we have the off, which is all the way to the left here. We have 4 cups, we have 8 cups, 12, and then all the way to 18. So what we're gonna do to keep it the freshest, we're gonna have it on 4. We're gonna hit that start button and it's gonna automatically grind 4 cups and it's gonna keep it here at the bottom for us. When we're ready to use it, all we have to do is take off this lid. We could use the scooper, scoop it up, and then go ahead and close this back up. And this is what keeps it nice and fresh right here, you guys, okay? So we're gonna put that right back in there. I did wanna point out that it does have a little thing down here so you could kind of like keep the cord away or make the cord a little bit shorter, depending on where you guys are gonna be plugging this in at. So now it's time to put our coffee beans in. So all we're gonna have to do is lift this top right here. And you guys, we have this right here, you guys. It's Jose's Gourmet Coffee. It is delicious. You guys gotta try it if you haven't already. Okay, so let's pour some in. Like I said, it does hold half a pound, guys. So it does hold a good amount. Okay, so now we put the top on. Everything's nice and tight. Like I said, we're doing medium, but you guys could do whatever you want, coarse or fine, okay? We have it on off right now. We're gonna put it on 4. So now it's gonna grind us 4 coffee worth and it's gonna put us down here on this side, okay? So here we go. Okay, you guys, and just like that, it stops. If you wanted to stop it in between, all you have to do is switch it to off and it would stop. And like I said, it is safety, so just in case this is not seated right or something's not right, it's not gonna work. So make sure everything is nice and seated tight. Okay, you guys, so this is it right here. It smells delicious. I know you guys can't smell it through the video, but look at that, it is ready to go. It's this is gonna be for our coffee in the morning, so I just can't wait.